morning. He is camping at Camp Samak.
Yeah, and we're making some roasted chipmunks this morning, Pooja. Well, maybe not actual chipmunks, but this is what the snack is called, right, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we got? We have brownies and peppermint.
Yeah.
Sounds yummy, doesn't it? This is the breakfast of champions, right, girls?
Yeah.
Just show me how we make it here.
So we have the two brownies here flipped over, and we take the peppermint, and we put it on top of one and flip it over, and then roll it up with the
Like such, just put it on top,
yeah.
like a little sandwich.
So I can
And we're gonna roll it. Okay. And then we're gonna hand it over to our chef, our grill master, right? Where's Jason? Hey, Jason, come on over here. All right. Okay, so we got some new roasted chipmunks. Who's eating the chipmunks? Did you guys keep the feathers on yours? Did you guys keep the feathers? No feathers. Or feathers. Some of the, the fur. Fur. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Guys, is it good? Yummy? It's good? Clearly, they don't even want to talk to me right now. They're too busy eating. Okay, what do we put them in?
Put them in the fire here, and we're about to take them out so that they're nice and melted. We have the fire nicely burned down, so it's just the coals. That way, it's nice and hot to get them melted, but it doesn't burn them, so they're just right.
And
enjoy.
These are just some of the goody treats that you get to do when you're camping.
Absolutely.
In terms of when the kids come on down to Scouts Canada and they're out, they're in the woods. This is this is not the normal experience that they would get, being in the city. You have to be out in the woods
for sure,
to really experience what being a Scout is all about.
Yeah, absolutely. It's magical out here. There's lots of great recipes between this, s'mores, bannock, endless varieties.
Does anyone want a second round? You guys good? Good? They don't even want to talk.
It's not good.
They're so busy eating.
Good.
All right, and how long do we keep them on for?
Just a couple of minutes or a few minutes, depending on where in the fire you put them. So.
Okay, let's see if we can let's put one of these on a plate here. And I know safety first. So we got the tongs. Do you think we can open it up here? Let's try and we don't want to use our hands there, but I'm gonna pass that to you.
All right.
Can I see these tongs for a second, guys? And by the way, if people want to find out more information about Scouts Canada, they can always go to the website, scouts.ca.
Yes, that's correct.
For the past 100 years, they've been providing these amazing outdoor adventure programs. And over 100,000 members, I'm learning. That is a lot of people. Look at this, guys. Okay, ready?
Almost in.
Almost in there. Almost in. It's nice and hot. It's really hot.
Yep.
Don't drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
Don't drop it.
It's getting in there. Oh. 1 sec. Get in there. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that gooey goodness, guys. Breakfast of champions coming up.
Absolutely.
You've been watching Cp24 breakfast. Breakfast is about to be served, and it's just got a lot of sugar in this breakfast. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's good to know how it's done.